Hello friends, it's Andreas Batakis here with Toronto Real Estate Thoughts of the Week. I do sing when I'm cold, okay? So no videos outside until the temperature goes over 0. Okay, now breaking news, vacant home tax, the deadline has been extended. Okay, if you haven't done it, that's great. Remember, if you have any type of residence within the city of Toronto, whether it's a condo, a townhome, your own house, whatever it is, you have to declare if it's vacant or not. If you don't, you'll get the bill in spring, and trust me, you don't want to get that bill. It's going to be a hefty bill for thousands of dollars. So please do the declaration. You have time. They extended it now until the end of February. Next, very, very important. This Thursday, 9th of February, we're hosting with Nectaria our live panel discussion. It's an in-person event here at our office, this fabulous office that you see here. This is where we're going to be expecting you, 630 Danforth Avenue, but you have to RSVP. There is a certain number of seats that we have available, and they're almost done. So if you're interested, this is going to be a game changer, no matter if you're thinking of buying, of selling, or just want to know what's going on with the real estate market. You will hear it from the insiders. I'm going to have a great real estate lawyer with me, Mike. I'm going to have a great mortgage broker. It's going to be myself. Nectaria is going to be there, so you know it's going to be fun. So join us and let me know if you're interested, or send me a personal message. And finally, let's talk numbers. Let's talk what happened in January. We have the numbers. You've heard the news, I'm sure. It reads the headlines. They're talking about the end of the world. And yet, if you think about it, the market is actually holding on. It's actually very impressive, the fact that despite all these interest rate increases, despite the fact that we knew another one was coming in at the end of January, and it did, we had the same number of sales in January as we did back in December. I find it amazing. I'm not surprised because I saw it in real time, as I have shared with you multiple times here. But it's a positive sign. In my opinion, now, because the Bank of Canada said that they're going to pause, more buyers are going to come on the market. And I believe that more sellers are going to be motivated now to sell their residences and move on with their lives the way they want to. So it's going to be very interesting to see what's going to happen in the coming weeks. But I'm very optimistic about it. And it's going to be great for everyone. Now, that's all for tonight. Remember to say net to life, say yes to life, and I'll